Hey guys, welcome to the Real J Doll's channel. It's your girl, the Real J Doll, here showing you how to make a graphic tee. You know how you have some shoes and you just don't have a shirt to go with it? Well, now you can make your own. It's going to be super fast, super easy. You can make this with stuff around the house. And of course, I had to put Beyonce on here. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So for this tutorial, you're going to need plastic wrap, an iron, scissors, a picture, any picture of your liking, an old thin rag, a t-shirt, and parchment paper. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do after you've cut out your image and got rid of those white borders, unless you want to keep that, you can go ahead. But you're going to take the plastic wrap and wrap it around the image in its entirety. The purpose of this is to protect the image on the outside, so that way if anything gets on it, it doesn't get messed up. And then also it's going to create a tacky and sticky adhesive to the back of the image to stick on the t-shirt. Now you want to make sure you cover up all areas. You see how I left that little square? Yeah, we're going to make sure we cover that up so that way it'll stick everywhere on the back. And so here I just ironed out the shirt so we don't have any unnecessary and unwanted crinkly winklies in the shirt. I put my girl where I wanted her, smack dab in the center. And so then I'm going to take a sheet of parchment paper and cover up my image completely. And then I'm going to take the old rag, and yeah, I know it's old for a reason, for things like this. I ironed my shirt for about a good 5 minutes before I took it to the next step, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys see what's gonna happen next. So it was just about done, but I had a couple corners that I wanted to lift up. So I took some more plastic wrap, cut it in half, laid it over the areas that were lifting, and then I folded it underneath like so, so that way it would have something to re-stick to. So then I just started the process over, put the parchment paper back on top, and then began ironing once again. Now that I'm done ironing, I'm going to give it 5 minutes, yes 5, to let the shirt cool so that way the plastic can seep into the shirt. So now that the 5 minutes are up, through the magic of YouTube, of course, I'm going to lift up the parchment paper slowly, and baby girl, you see what I'm working with, okay, this shirt looks good. And like I said, y'all, we have a super fast, super affordable, super cute DIY graphic tee shirt. So it's looking good. It's looking great. Period, poo. Like I say all the time. Period. We got the shirt done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Make sure you check out any further videos. Turn the post notifications on. Do all that, and I'll see you in the next video.